Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel Enable Website Design. In this video we are going to discuss how you can install Botiga WordPress theme and import demo content. So first of all you need to go here in WordPress themes. Then you can go to free theme library. Here you can search for Botiga and you can install this theme. You can also preview before installing. So after installing this theme you can install some plugins. So first of all I want to install WooCommerce plugin, and this plugin is used for e-commerce functionality so that you can easily sell anything on your website. Here you can see 7 million plus active installations. So after that I want to install one and other plugin. So let me upload that plugin. Here you will get this file, and here you can check the format, this one rar file. So now let me extract this file. You can extract with any extractor plugin, for example 7-zip, WinRAR, and many more. So this one is the actual file. Now let me go and compress this file. So now it is converted into the zip format, and once it complete, after that we will start uploading this plugin. Okay, now let's go and select the file, and here we need to go this one, install it, then activate. Okay, now we have installed this plugin and WooCommerce. So now you can switch back from coming soon to live mode. So let's go, and here we need to select this one, live, and then you can also go to settings, then click on permalinks. Okay, make sure that you have selected this one, and now here you can see this one, appearance, and then click on started sites. Okay, now here you can see these are the professional websites, and it is specialized for the e-commerce. So I want to install this one. Then you can select the page builder. So I want to select Elementor, and then you can select these options, and here you can add the email for the subscription. So I want to add this one, then click on skip start importing. And it will take few seconds. After that a complete website will be ready to use. Okay, demo content is imported. Now let's view the website. On the front side here you can see a professional website with all the features that are required for e-commerce store. So you can simply click on edit with Elementor to change anything on every page. So you can also go to contact us, shop page. You will get a professional shop page, then blog page. So products are looking awesome, and in this way you can easily create e-commerce website using this.